In the ice dam business, you have to be a really good mechanic, or you have to have a mechanic. Anybody who understands engines, who understands pressure, hoses, anybody who can hustle and work in extreme conditions will qualify to be, I would say, ground guy, because like, look, we just have a busted hose, don't know why. Yep, so it was literally just busting from here. Brand new machine, just hook up to the water and boom, just happened. So you, because you drive into the job sites and because it's so cold, you have limited amount of time to set your machine up, make sure everything is running. And when something breaks, you want to fix it on the spot. You don't have time to go to the shop. You don't have time because you're wasting any minute from removing items. So it's, think about this. If you're cutting the grass and you fine tune all your equipment cutting, you cut the grass, right? You have probably some backup, some maybe another mower. Here, you're not gonna travel with the two machines, but you can put two hoses, you can put extra parts, because if you come to the job site like this and you tell homeowner it's gonna take them 4 hours, you can only do 2 jobs like that per day. If you wasted 2 hours on fixing the machine, or you have to go to Home Depot to get a part because you're not prepared, guess what? You're wasting money. This business is like no other business. So be prepared, get extra parts, get mechanic on board to support your roofers. The ideal setup is somebody on the ground who knows the machine, who knows how to operate things, and somebody on the roof who is comfortable. And the guy from the ground have to watch the guy on the ladder, because it's also dangerous. You have ice, he can sleep, he has to be tied down obviously in some situations, or if he works off the ladder, the ground guy have to tell him or navigate traffic if icicles are coming in. I mean, it's like a tree job sometimes. You come in and you have to watch, make sure it's not gonna break anything, it's not gonna hit anybody or doors and so on. So very preparation requirement job. You have to prepare for the worst because it will probably happen.